Hello guys, welcome to Untitled Electronics. So in today's episode, let's take a look at this headset that I bought from Amazon. So as you guys have already seen in the thumbnail and in the title of this video, this is the Realme branded headphones. So let's open it and see what comes inside. The first thing that I immediately noticed is that there is no protection at all. The thing is not even protected by a layer of bubble wrap. As you can see over here, the pack is mostly empty, but considering the fact that I got it delivered in the prime one day next day delivery, I hope it didn't have to go through a lot of shipping based thing. And this here is the headset. If it can focus on it, yep, Realme Buds in-ear headphones. So this is the model number RMA. Let me focus onto that. RMA101, 32 ohm impedance, Realme branded headphones. The packaging looks really nice. It is still unopened, as you can see over here. So let's open the package and see what comes inside. So guys, let's open the package. I don't have a blade right here, so I open it using this one. So let's open the package and see what comes inside. So inside, as you can see, it comes with another box. Let's open that one. So this here is the headsets. It looks really nice. The packaging is really good, and it seems to be survived the shipping, and there is no damage to the casing, even though it is not protected with at least a piece of bubble wrap. So how to open this one? Okay, maybe it's coming out like this. Yes. So yep, let's open it further and see what else is inside here. So it comes with a pair of earbuds, and by the looks of it, that's it. The box is empty, and here is the headset. The cable looks nice. It is actually a braided cable, as you can see over here. This is a braided cable, and the quality of this is also good. And this right here is the driver, and it comes with 3 buttons. As you can see over here, it comes with 3 buttons. It has volume up, volume down, and middle button, which doesn't seem to be doing much. It is really hard to press. I don't know, is it particular for this model or not, but anyway, let's give it a try. By the looks of it, it is really good. The cable quality is really good, as you can see over here. The earbuds looks nice. It has magnets, so it will stick. Okay, now let's try this and see how does it performs. So guys, now I'm playing some audio over here on the YouTube NCS audio library, and it actually feels really good. It has surprisingly good bass. See, when I actually tried purchasing this one, I read through all the reviews, and a lot of people were complaining that this is having very sub quality bass, but this thing is actually really good. And even if I try to change the volume, you can see when I'm pressing, because of the exposure, it may not be visible properly, but see, as you can see, the volume is actually getting changed. You can increase the volume and decrease the volume from here. Play pause will also work. The bass, there is enough bass. It is not that too much of a bass that it covers the rest of the voice. It has that nice deep punch. The vocals are clear, the trebles are fine. So overall, under 500 rupees, this right here is a very good pair of headsets. So that's it for the moment, and this is the quick review of these Realme earbuds. So thanks for watching. See you in another video.